Have you ever had your cat use your most expensive piece of furniture for a scratching post? Well, if so, there's hope. You can fix it. My cat used my Tommy Bahama leopard print swivel chair for a scratching post, and I could not find the fabric, but there's hope. You can take a pillow that matches. This particular pillow was only $12 at Costco, and it matched the brown perfectly. Especially if it's something that's furry, a different texture, it will work. Here I am trying the nail gun, and that did not work. But the staple gun will work, along with the hot glue gun. However, once it was done, I didn't like it. It looked like I just stuck a pillow into the sides of the chair. So what you can do, and what I did, is I went back and got another pillow from my couch. And I opened it up instead of just cutting the ends off like I did for the sides of the chair. I opened the whole thing up, got rid of the stuffing, and laid it out flat and used the entire piece of the pillow. And depending on the size of your chair, you can do the same thing. With my chair, I cut the pillow case long way, so I had like a pelt of fur, and I glued it and stapled it next to the edges that I had done before. And I made a design with it. I kind of twisted it and turned it so it gave it some texture and a design. And it kind of took your eye away from thinking that it's supposed to be flat and perfect. And I really liked how it came out. I did. Here I am cutting all of the little hairs that were scratched off. There's the little bugger now. And then I vacuumed all the extra fur that came off of the pillowcase. And it looked okay. Keith liked it, but it was still bugging me. So onward I went. Got another pillow. I mean, here we're at, what, $24? This will make it $36. The third go at it. Now I'm taking the whole pillowcase and laying it all across the bottom, and then trimming off all the sides as well. Again, using the staple gun and the hot glue gun. It took some time, but it's worth it because there was no way that I could find the fabric to match it perfectly. And I paid a lot of money for this chair, and I didn't want to give it away or throw it away. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's one of those things that can look really, you can think it looks really bad, or you can think it looks really good. You know, things like that. They can either look really, really cheesy or really cool and eclectic and funky and different. And I choose to believe the latter. But I am finishing it off here all on the bottom, and I think that really helped it. So maybe this will inspire you if you have a piece of furniture that either you want to change the color of, or you have a cat that has ruined it, or you just don't like the way it looks, or it's been worn out. Check out the pillows you have, or buy a pillow and get out the hot glue and the staple gun and see what you can do. I mean, it really turned out nice. And then I put one of those pillows on it, so it brought it all together. Thanks for watching. Namaste.